Hello. So, I did some everything's good, right. Hello. So, I did some training the other day, and I joined Eddie's Discord channel, and so it says that you probably shouldn't think about going up to a new bike until you've already mastered your one. So I've wanted a new bike for ages, but I'm gonna stick with mine until I'm brown belt, black belt, whatever, until I'm a lot better than I currently am. So that's what I'm gonna do. Very exciting. So obviously I'll put a link to my little moto jitsu training I did yesterday, and I am going to go out and do a little bit more later, but I need to get some food first. I've got mummy missions to do first, so I'm going to do that. Hello, Mr. Policeman. So I need to try next my car parking spaces, going in and out of car parking spaces. That's what I need to set up and do next. And it's probably a good day for it actually, because it's Sunday, but I'm just going to wait until it's a bit later in the day before I do it. So yeah, that's my thoughts for the day.